Hey, and welcome back to the farm. Today we're up here at the house and we're going to talk about our seed haul for this year, 2025. And I'm not going to really talk about in this video about my process that I went through to decide, but just kind of go over some of the new stuff we're going to do. And I basically have like an Excel sheet that I put all this on and went through, check prices and all that stuff, and I'm gonna go over how much I spent. I've got it wrote down somewhere. I really spent a lot of money this year. I think last year we did about $420 on seeds. This year's gonna be quite a bit more, and I'll do that at the end. But mostly what we're doing new. Now I've got all my papers all messed up. Come out with a new half runner. It's called the Tennessee Half Runner. It's developed by the University of Tennessee. It's supposed to be kind of go back to that old timey flavor. I think we quit growing half runners, but people still beg. I mean, that's what they want around here. But we personally don't like them because they seem like they gotten tough to me. They don't have a lot of flavor. This is supposed to have them, so it's supposed to have that old timey flavor. So we'll find out. But we got some of those. We're going to grow broccoli this year and sell cabbage, and I got two different kinds of cabbage. Carrots. We're going to try to do carrots, and I'm going to do those in the raised beds. So I'm going to do a whole row of raised beds. I think I've got 4 down there now. Maybe 5. I'm going to order about 5 or 6 more. I've tried to raise carrots in my soil. I don't know if it's something wrong with my soil or it's got a lot of clay and it's kind of hard for carrots to grow. So we're going to try them in the, we did some over the fall and they did pretty good. Just we had an early frost and kind of stunning them, but still they got some probably about this big in just a few weeks. And so we're going to go back and try to that. Yeah, we're going to do cabbage, carrots, 2 different kinds of carrots. Corn. We're doing sweet corn this year, and this is a big deal for us. And that's one of the reasons we've got a lot more money into it. So I got 2 different kinds of sweet corn, and sweet corn is really expensive. So I mean, we got 5,000 seeds. Cost us about $106, $108. So that was a big shot of the money. But we're gonna try it and see. Hopefully it does good. Like I said, we're expanding our vegetable operation. Cucumbers, I'm doing the old Speedway was my favorite. Dasher 2 is my backup. That's a good one for us. I'm trying a Raceway in Bristol. It'll be new. This is on slicers. Picklers. I've not really had a good luck. Last year we had decent, but they come out with a new called Quarantine. It's a new pickler. Calypso, which I grew last year. Cool Breeze is new. Supermax is new. So doing a lot of new cucumbers. We're going big on eggplants. You know, last year we did like maybe 10 plant or 15 plants. We're going to do a whole row of eggplants that really done good. We're adding kale this year. Kohlrabi we're going to try. I don't know, we might not sell one of them, so I'll feed them to the pigs. We're going to try to do some lettuce, something new for us. Cantaloupe, I'm going with 3 different kinds of cantaloupe. Last year I just did Thunderstruck. I'm going with Thunderstruck again, but I've got 2 other varieties I've got that we're going to plant, and they're different due dates. The first one's 72, 78, and 82. So hopefully we'll have a longer span of cantaloupe. Peppers, all the same. Nothing new there. Tomatoes, our main one's going to be Camaro. I'm trying a new one called Wind Up. It's a new variety that's come out. It's supposed to be pretty good. I'm going to do Mountain Gold for my yellow. Celebrity Plus, Marglobe. I'm going to try Homestead, which is it's a determinate, but it's a heirloom. So okra, we're going with chlorophyll green pod, which we did really good last year. We're going to try some bunching onions, which is the green onions that you see sliced. I think they might sell pretty good. Pumpkins. We're going big on pumpkins, and that was another big expense. We spent quite a bit of money on pumpkins. Zucchini, squash. We're going just a regular squash. Well, no, we're trying a new yellow squash. I tried this smooth summer last year, and I really like it. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. So I'm going big on that this year. Two different kinds called Smooth Wonder and Smooth Summer. Zucchini, I'm growing what I did last year. Next big thing is seedless watermelons. We're going to try those. So very expensive. $55 for 100 seeds. That's another big expense. We're going back with Sugar Baby. I got a Sugar Baby bush this year, so they're not supposed to get as big, so we'll see. I got a regular Sugar Baby and a Sugar Baby bush, so we'll try those. And we're going to try some cauliflower this year, which is new. And peppers. On new peppers I'm trying to, it's called an orange spice jalapeno. It's supposed to be like an orange jalapeno. It's got a hint of citrus to it. Everything else we've grown, so that's pretty much it. I've got most of my seeds in. This is for homes. Let's see when it comes in. And I really like their packaging. Really nice. This is a different variety of okra. But there's some pumpkins, so they pull them off and they're resealable, and that's Homes, which I did a lot from Homes. This is my Twilly, which usually Twilly we do like smaller quantities or smaller seed packets. So this is mostly peppers. What else did I get here? Peppers. Cabbage, a little bit of cabbage. This is where I got my kale from, so this is all like smaller stuff, and it's just your standard package. So, and my big buy this year, it's come from rub seeds. I really like their packaging. This is where I got my seedless watermelon. They give you a little thing on how to grow. But you can see their packages and see what this is. Now this is my seedless watermelons. So you can see the packaging. It's got like really good stuff, and it's resealable too. You open it up and it's got little zip things right here. And so some of this stuff now I'll be able to save for next year. Here's the beets. I got 5,000 beet seeds. And you can see that's a big old package of beets. So this will last me for 2 years. And the reason I had to do that, if you remember, I made a crucial mistake last year. I put all my seeds in my greenhouse, and it got really hot in there for several days, and it killed the germination. I tried to do some, I planted some of them that didn't. Some of them came up, most of them did not come up, and the ones that did come up didn't produce. So I had to throw all those away and had to start all over. So this, even though it seems like kind of a lot of money, we're going to, this stuff like this I'll save. What I don't use. I got another one. Let's see what this is. This is a Gold Rush. This is a pumpkin, and quite a bit of seeds in there, 250 seeds. So it's resealable. So I'm not going to make that same mistake. I want to actually, only thing I got one thing of corn on my back order and one thing of peppers on my back order. Everything else came in, so I've had really pretty good luck this year. But I'm going to keep my seeds up here in the house. I think over in the closet somewhere. So I did order some from Baker Creek, and it won't be here till one day, first of next week. And I just ordered my shishito peppers. I ordered a couple of little peppers, and I didn't spend much money there this year, $20. And I found some good sorghum seeds at a place called Thresh. It's a seed company, and I bought some other stuff for them too. So I'm gonna add all this up real quick and see what we come up with. I wish I'd brought my phone. Whew, it's even worse than I thought. So we're we're at $740 in seeds this year. Like I said, the most I've ever spent was last year, and that's because we had a price increase on a lot of it. It was $420. But like I said, we're really expanding. You know, 160 of it is, or 170 of it's corn and seedless watermelons. So you took that out, it'd be 6, so it'd be about 580. Yeah, and I've ordered a lot. Like I said, I'd start over too. So this is my big seed haul, and I'm gonna do another one on my how I went around through and decided what I was gonna get, because you know, it's pretty important, and I'll do that one day when it's raining. So this is my seeds here. So all right. If you have any question about varieties we're growing, and I'll show you how I pick my varieties. I need to do that in another video. I could sit here for 2 hours and make a 2-hour video and talk on this stuff, because this is one of my favorite parts of gardening. Picking the seeds, doing the research, checking the prices, trying to get my best deal, stuff like that. And I didn't pay any shipping this year, so that's pretty good. I guess you spend that kind of money, they give you. You know what? They should have sent me a hat. That would have been nice, and then I could have wrote, advertised in in my videos. But anyway, all right. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment, send me an email. I answer all emails, and personally answer all comments. So sometimes my wife does on some of them, but or she'll tell me what to say. Anyway, you know how it is. All right, so we're going to end the video here. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to do another video on my process of how I pick everything. And it's quite extensive. I bet I probably got, in all this, I probably got, I'd say at least maybe 30 hours of work just to pick all this. So, I mean, I spent a lot of time. And now we're just this weekend, when you're watching this evening, probably we'll start doing our mums. I got to get those researched, what we want to do, and ordered. So that's another thing. Of course, that's I'm kind of keeping that separate from this. So we ordered our pots the other day, and I had to do an unboxing on them. I hadn't even opened the box yet, so we'll check those out. All right, hope you enjoyed the video. Have any questions, leave a comment. Leave a comment down below. Send me an email. Appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. Support your local farmer. We'll see you down here in the farm next video.